வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே, மீண்டும் ஒரு வீடியோவில் சந்திப்பதில் மகிழ்ச்சி. இன்னைக்கு வீடியோவில் we have to discuss a most important topic from the unit classical mechanics unit 2. So then first topic, then cyclic coordinates. So then before that topics நம்ம எல்லாமே டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஸோ அதை பார்க்காத நண்பர்கள் அதுக்கான லிங்க் வந்து டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் கொடுக்குறேன். வேணும் நண்பர்கள் டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் இருக்க லிங்க் யூஸ் பண்ணி அதை பாருங்க. ஸோ இன்னைக்கு கிளாஸ்ல we have to discuss 4 important topics. So the first topic is then cyclic coordinates. So the first question from the cyclic coordinates, then what is a cyclic coordinate in classical mechanics? So the correct option, the B. So a coordinate that does not appear explicitly in the Lagrangian. Okay. Then question number 2, if a coordinate is cyclic, then which physical quantity is conserved? Most important. The correct option, momentum conjugate to that coordinate. Question number 3, the presence of cyclic coordinates simplifies the equation of motion because the correct option, B. The conjugate momentum to the cyclic coordinate is conserved, reducing solution complexity. Okay. Question number 4, from principle of least action. Okay. So then according to the principle of least action, the path taken by a physical system between two states is one that the correct option is C. Then minimize or make stationary the action integral. So that is then T1, T2, then LDT. Okay. So these are all the most important. So question number 5. In Hamiltonian principle of least action, the action is the integral of the correct option C. The difference between kinetic and potential energy over time. Question number 6. The Euler-Lagrangian equation is derived from option B, principle of least action. The next topic, degree of freedom. Question number 7. The degree of freedom of a free particle moving in three-dimensional space. The correct option C, 3. Question number 8. The degree of freedom in a planar mechanism which n links and j lower pair is given by Hilbert equation. The correct option A. Then 3 n minus 1 minus 2j. Question number 9. The degree of freedom of a rigid body moving freely in space is 6 degree of freedom. Question number 10. The degree of freedom of a system represent. The correct option B. The minimum number of independent variable to describe the system configuration. So the next topic, the Lewis theorem. Question number 11. The Lewis theorem in classical mechanics state that the correct option A. The volume of phase to phase occupied by a system remain constant under Hamiltonian evaluation. Okay. Most important. So question number 12. The Lewis theorem is an important in stationary mechanics and Hamiltonian mechanics. Question number 13. According to Lewis theorem, the density of point in phase to phase, the correct option is remain constant along with tangentially of the system. Question number 14. The Lewis theorem applies to, among which one is correct? Option C is correct. Then Hamiltonian system without dissipation. Okay. So question number 15. The concept of phase to phase in Lewis theorem refers to. The correct option, then combined space of all position and momentum of a system. So then Lewis presented in the there should be Qy, comma Pa. Okay. We have to derive from the Hamiltonian principle. Most important. Okay. So some of the mixed topics from all those four topics. Okay. So question number 16. Then which of the following best describe the principle of least action? So the correct option B. The nature choose the path for which the action is stationary. Question number 17. The number of degree of freedom of a double pendulum system is கண்டிப்பா degree of freedom ல இருந்து ஒரு கொஸ்டின் கண்டிப்பா வரும். சம்டைம்ஸ் மேபி ப்ராப்ளம் கூட கேட்கறதுக்கான வாய்ப்பு இருக்கு. கண்டிப்பா டிகிரி ஆஃப் ஃப்ரீடம் வந்து ஒரு கொஸ்டின் இருக்கும். அட் த சேம் டைம் நம்பர் ஆஃப் டிகிரி ஆஃப் ஃப்ரீடம் கண்டிப்பா அந்த வேர்டோட ஒரு கொஸ்டின் கண்டிப்பா இருக்கும். ஓகே, அதனால அது கொஞ்சம் கான்சென்ட்ரேட்டா படிக்கணும். ஓகே, கொஸ்டின் நம்பர் 17. The correct option is B. There should be a 2. So question number 18. A coordinate that does not appear explicitly in the Lagrangian leads to the correct option B. And conservation of conjugate momentum to that coordinate. Question number 19. The Lewis theorem ensures that the Hamiltonian flow is incompressible in phase to phase. Question number 20. The principle of least action is a formulation primarily used to the correct option Lagrangian and Hamiltonian mechanism. So these are all the important questions that we have to expect from the classical mechanics. Then 4 topics. Okay, what are the 4 topics? Then cyclic coordinates and the principle of least action and Lewis theorem and degree of freedom. Okay, so don't forget like this video and subscribe for more MCQ and updates. Okay, same time then we have to share this video to your friends, those who are preparing the examination. Okay, then we meet in the next video.